In today's video, I'm going to teach you Constant Contact versus Mailchimp. Which one is better? By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which platform fits your needs, whether you're just starting with email marketing or you're looking to scale and get more advanced. Let's begin with ease of use, because if a tool is frustrating, you're not going to stick with it. Constant Contact is generally easier to navigate. The interface is straightforward, and most features are simple to find and understand. If you're new to email marketing, you'll likely feel comfortable here pretty quickly. Mailchimp, on the other hand, is slightly more complex. It has more features and settings, which is powerful, but it also means a bit more of a learning curve. Now, when it comes to email marketing itself, both platforms are strong. You can build lists, create campaigns, and send newsletters with either one. The main difference is in design and customization. Mailchimp gives you more flexibility with templates, layouts, and styling. So if branding and visual polish are important to you, Mailchimp has the edge. Constant Contact still lets you create good-looking emails, but it's more focused on simplicity than deep customization. Next, let's talk about automation. This is where the platforms start to separate more clearly. Constant Contact offers basic automation, like simple welcome sequences or date-based emails. It's enough if you want to set up a few essential flows. Mailchimp, however, gives you more advanced options, including behavior-based triggers, more detailed workflows, and branching logic. If you want to build sophisticated customer journeys, Mailchimp is the stronger choice. On analytics, Constant Contact provides simple, easy-to-read reports. You'll see opens, clicks, and basic performance metrics. Mailchimp goes deeper with more detailed tracking, segment-level insights, and better tools for understanding how your campaigns are performing over time. One important difference is the free plan. Only Mailchimp offers a free tier, which is great if you want to test things out without committing to a paid subscription right away. For pricing, Constant Contact keeps things relatively simple, but can become pricey as your list grows. Mailchimp typically offers better value for the range of features you get, especially if you plan to use automation and analytics heavily. Both tools integrate with other software, but Mailchimp connects with a wider variety of external tools and platforms, which is helpful if you already have a marketing stack. Finally, consider support and who each is best for. Constant Contact shines in customer support, especially with access to phone and chat on many plans. Mailchimp's support is more limited on the free and lower tiers. Overall, Constant Contact is best for beginners who want something easy and supported, while Mailchimp is better for growing, marketing-focused users who need more features and room to scale.